does misbehavior mean? Is misbehavior disobedience? Is misbehavior embarrassing? Is misbehavior something that provokes us? Discipline is teaching. Responsive discipline is based on making choices of 3 types of tools in a parent's toolbox: prevention, guidance, and consequences. Think of all child behavior in one of 3 zones: a green zone, a yellow zone, and a red zone. Let's start with the green zone, what is not misbehavior. Green zone behavior is what we hope to see and celebrate. Your child gives you a hug when you feel sad or voluntarily helps you with yard work. 2 children are playing together, cooperating in a preschool version of soccer. 2 sisters sharing the delight of a book. Children in the green zone are happy. In an earlier video, I asked you to think about what is most important you want your children to learn, how you want to make a difference across a lifetime. This is the type of green zone behavior we want to teach. In the green zone, our discipline encourages and recognizes the behavior we want to see. One of the discipline tools in the guidance section of the toolbox is called Catch Your Child Being Good. We can recognize and compliment children on their good behavior, increasing the likelihood of their going green again. Misbehavior in the yellow zone is marginally unacceptable, a kind of misbehavior light. Yellow zone misbehavior breaks what are called conventional rules. Conventional rules deal with propriety and good manners. Misbehavior we might find embarrassing. Speaking with one's mouth full, laughing at a funeral, or belching in public are examples of yellow zone misbehavior. We recognize the inappropriateness of yellow zone misbehavior. We feel uncomfortable with what our child is doing. Our goal with discipline in the yellow zone is to be alert. Do we have to intervene, or could we choose to ignore it? Our discipline emphasizes preventing the misbehavior and teaching civility. What is considered yellow zone misbehavior can vary across cultures and even between parents. One parent may be more uneasy with a child's behavior than another. Prevention and guidance, not consequences, are what is needed. Red zone misbehavior is very different. What is in the red zone is always unacceptable because it is morally wrong. A child reaches over and tears up another child's drawing. A toddler bites another child. A child steals money from his mother's purse. A child bullies and disgraces another. Red zone misbehavior is harmful and provokes misery. Preschoolers can distinguish between conventions and moral rules. They might agree that conventional rules like table manners could be changed, but would insist that authority figures could not make a rule that children should bite each other. Red zone misbehavior should never be ignored. When deliberate, this behavior merits consequences from the parent. There has to be a cost that teaches the child what to do as well as what not to do. Because punishing children for doing something bad when they were never taught the better alternative is unfair. Knowing when to get upset and when to keep our cool is an important part of making disciplined decisions. Our devotion enables children to thrive, while our guidance inspires their moral strength.